Today is a very exciting day for Lowestoft because at last we're going to be opening the third crossing. It was first proposed in 1918. On the 7th of June 2007, Bob Blizzard launched a petition demanding that the third crossing be built in Lowestoft. He said it would be a long battle to get there, and he sure was right, because today, the 7th of September 2024, it's finally happened. Sadly, Bob Blizzard passed away in 2022, but I'd like to think he's up there now, smiling, watching us all today.
Show Daddy. Look, I think we should go there. Look at Young suggestion. Drive us now.
No, the British Motorcycle yeah, opens up the No, we're not on the bridge yet, darling. You're alright. No, the bridge is over there. Can you see those two bits sticking out? The bridge over there.
Oh, look.
Okay, so this is the first and last one.
So wait,
This bit is going to go off and down. This doesn't go off and down, okay?
On this side, stay on curve.
Just so I can go straight to the door and take them out and back one. Can I straight the door?
Yeah, go for it.
This bridge is 39 metres above water when it's at high tide.
That's what I Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I think they've taken the time to make their real work.
If you look on Facebook or Google, you'll find pictures of this arriving, which is on the 4th of March 2024.
I'm a bit funny like that. I would like hikes and stuff.
On the 30th of April 2020, Peter Aldous, the then MP, stood in Parliament and managed to get us this £94 million bridge approved.
That brown building we have to resolve.
What's the other little breaker?
It's
So there you can see the new bridge in the background, and that's the view from the old bridge, which has less traffic on it now. That's good, isn't it? 1 minute to go. Loads of people here.